Tired of bombing interviews and missing out on high-paying jobs? Struggling to articulate your skills and experiences in cybersecurity and GRC? Master every interview with Professor Temi's expert guides. With 30-plus years of experience in every area of tech, Professor Temi's books contain 250-plus real-life scenarios and STAR techniques to ace interview questions, essential knowledge and practical skills in cybersecurity and GRC, topics covered: data handling, breach, protection, incident response, vulnerability management, compliance, policies, security controls, risk assessment, and emerging technologies. Get ready to boost your career and earn up to $200,000. Trust the expertise of Professor Temi, a seasoned professional with 3 decades of experience. Check out the books now and transform your interview game forever.